Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Vivo S1 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set ringtone and other tones in Vivo S1 smartphone. First of all, go to the settings in your phone. Click on settings. Now find sound and vibration here. Click on sound and vibration. Click on SIM1 incoming call ringtone and select any tone that are available within your phone. These are all system ringtones. You can also choose your own ringtone using custom ringtone. Click on custom ringtone and select any music file that is available within your folder. That is, you can have any music file in your memory card and you can select it here. In the similar way, click on SIM2 ringtone, SIM2 incoming call ringtone and select any tone from custom files, that is custom ringtone. Otherwise, choose system ringtones. Just pick up any one system ringtone and go back to activate. Also, you can set SIM1 message tone and SIM2 message tone. And in the calendar alert ringtones, you can select any tone or custom ringtone. These are all just similar to what you have done for SIM1 ringtone. In the notification ringtone, this is also same. Just select any custom ringtone, otherwise choose system ringtone. And also you can control other tones like dial pad touch tone, touch sound, screen lock sound, message send sound, etc. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, bye.